Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Bardeen AI to automate your LinkedIn outreach in 2025. So step 1, go to bardeen.ai and install the Chrome extension and sign in using your Google or email account. Step 2, navigate to LinkedIn and search for your target audience, such as recruiters, leads, or niche professionals. Step 3, open Bardeen's extension and choose a playbook like save LinkedIn contacts to Google Sheets or send DM to connections. You can also create your own. Step 4, set your triggers and actions. For outreach, you can automate the message sequence using pre-filled variables like first name, company, or job title. Step 5, connect Bardeen to Google Sheets, Gmail, or Notion to track leads or send automated emails based on LinkedIn activity. Step 6, run the playbook and watch it work, and you will see Bardeen start sending or saving profiles instantly. Don't forget to monitor your outreach frequency to avoid LinkedIn restrictions. And now, your LinkedIn prospecting is automated and scalable using Bardeen AI. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.